Hey guys, press the subscribe button and the bell icon for never miss a video from Technical Batori.
Hi, it's me Nasir Hussain. Yet again I welcome to our channel Technical Batori. You might be guessing why I am speaking in English. Many of my friends and relatives have said that do the video in English, do the video in Hindi, you will gain more subscribers. But I want to say that I know how to talk in English, I love Hindi, but I prefer to talk in Assamese because Assamese is my mother tongue and we will be doing the videos in Assamese only. And just because of my friends, I am doing this video in English. From the next video, we will be again doing in Assamese only. So it's the video for first Q&A session of Technical Batori. Many of my friends have asked many questions and I will be answering all those questions. So let's begin. Now the first question comes, how much do you earn from YouTube? I want to say, my friends, that we don't earn anything from YouTube. YouTube is our passion and we are just following it. And monetization will be there after 1000 subscribers and after 4000 hours watch time, which is next to impossible. But we are trying to post more and more videos that's to increase the watch time. And so we always say, do like the video, share and subscribe it. Then only we can gain more views, gain more watch time and gain more subscribers. And the second question comes, who is India's? I want to say that India's Roman is my father's sister's grandchildren. And that's why he can be said as my bhatija. And the third question comes, how we do the videos. In some videos we use Canon 1300D, which is a DSLR, and in some videos we use Poco F1 and Realme 1, which is our mainframe cell phone. And the fourth question comes, why we include Aquaman and Captain Marvel trailer breakdown in our videos. I want to say that MCU and DC movies often gives a hint of our futuristic world. In those movies we can see using of gadgets, using of futuristic gadgets, futuristic weapons, which might be available in our future world. So we are giving the trailer breakdown of those movies, and we will be giving the trailer breakdowns of many of those movies because I love doing this. And the fifth question is a funny one. Many of my friends have asked how we get phones for unboxing. I want to say that we don't get phone for unboxing, neither we used to buy them. Many of our friends and relatives buy those phones. We just get in there, go to their house and just unbox them and say our review about those phones. And the next question comes, why you are doing videos alone? Why there is no India's Roman? I want to say that India's Roman is a junior engineering student. He is studying in Prince of Wales first semester, so he don't get much time to engage in the videos. So sometimes I do some videos alone. Sometimes I might be not there, he will do the videos, and sometimes he will be not there, I will do the video. That is our target. But the Technical Batori which comes on Sunday, we will be doing that video together only. And after his final exam, we will be doing the videos together. This is all for it now. This is the first Q&A session of Technical Batori. Hope you guys might have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please go to the channel. And of course, like the video, share the video and subscribe the video if you have not subscribed yet. Wait. এবাৰহে ইংলিছত দিলোঁ, নেক্সট বাৰলৈ আকৌ আমি অসমীয়াত টেকনিকেল বাতৰি লৈ আহি আছোঁ। গতিকে চাই থাকক আমাৰ চেনেল টেকনিকেল বাতৰি।